Alvina, you noted this one? The cleansing action of soap and detergents.
No.
So please note this one. Note this one. Write the question will be write a note on cleansing action. Write a note on cleansing action of soap and detergents. Okay, and then here's the answer. Do it, please. Are you writing?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
ready. Note it down fast. We have done this one soap and detergent in the previous class, na, Alvina? Yes or no?
Sorry, sir.
I'm asking you that we have done this one in the previous class, na? Soap and detergents. Let me check what we did in the previous class because you are not going to answer me. Just a minute.
Sir, we wrote till denatured alcohol.
Oh, we studied that one. Let me check it. What we have done in the previous class. It is not working. Saturated and saturated hydrocarbons and chemical properties and their chemical properties we have done. Okay. Just a minute. Have you noted this one? The cleansing action of soap, because we're going to discuss this one in the next class. Zainab and Albina, please turn on your camera fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you done? Noted. We'll explain you today. Open data things. You done this one?
Yes.
So in the previous class, let me you also, Zainab,
Yeah.
just complete it. Just make this drawings also, and then I'm going to explain you today soap and detergents. Okay. Just make this one also. This is CS3. This one is CS3 COONA. CS3. Sorry, COONA. This one is COONA. COONA. CONA. CONA. Okay. Soap decreases the surface tension between the molecule of water, which helped water to wet.
So what is the repulsion between same?
Hmm?
What does it say? Repulsion between same change?
The repulsion, the repulsion between same ions, same
Okay.
charge, same charge
Okay.
ions make the dirt come out of the clothes. Done?
Yes.
1 minute.
It says missiles under the
Yes, missiles.
diagram thing, right?
Yeah, missiles.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Okay. So let's move further. Let's move further. So today we shall be going to discuss the, do we have discussed denatured, and the uses of ethanol? I think we have not done the uses of ethanol, na? We have done the denatured of alcohol and the chemical properties of alcohol we have done. Okay. So check, Alvina, do we have done the reactions between alcohol and, yes, we have done this one. Okay, let's revise again. If we have done that, let's revise again. Okay. So properties, chemical properties of alcohol. We have done this one. I know, I'm sure this one. Let's divide again. Chemical properties of alcohol. First property of alcohol is that if we are just going to react any alcohol, C2H5OH, that is 2 carbon alcohol, ethanol. When you react it with sodium, it will gives you C2H5ONA. That is called sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
And this sodium ethoxide and plus hydrogen gas is produced. This shows the acidic behavior. Like you know that acids when react with metals, they will give you salt plus hydrogen gas. But still, ethanol do not turns when added to water. No H plus ions are produced. No H plus ions are produced. That's why still it is showing acidic behavior, the property similar to that of acids. But here is ethanol is not characterized as acid just because ethanol when added to water do not dissociate H plus ions. Okay. So this is the property of ethanol, that the first that alcohols when react with metal, they will give you salt plus hydrogen gas like the ethanol. Okay. So noted down this one and write down that ethanol is on reaction with metal produce hydrogen gas. This property is similar to acid, but then why it is not characterized as acids? Okay, write down these questions also fast. Yes, noted. Noted this one.
1 minute.
Okay.
Done.
Yes, you Alvina, you also noted.
Done.
Okay, so can you tell me that why do ethanol is not characterized as acid, even though it produces hydrogen gas on reaction with metals? Can you tell me the answer for this one? Any one of you? Yes, can you answer me this question? Alvina and Zainab, I'm asking you something. Can you answer me? Mhm. Is I'm audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting doubt because you're not saying yes or no. Because when ethanol is added to water, it do not produce any H plus ions. So according to the Arrhenius definition, that acids are characterized as those substances which produces H plus ions on reaction with acids. Okay. So when we add ethanol to water, it does not produce any H plus ions. However, it is producing hydrogen gas, let it be, but it does not produce the H plus ions. So that's why it is not characterized as acids. Okay. So note this one, please.
Okay.
The answer for this one.
Sir, what does it say on the sign?
What is it?
What does it say on the sign?
You don't need to write the reactions.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So it is not characterized. So, and one thing you have to note it down. The second property is that this one is okay. This one is over. Now the second property is that when ethanol is added to alkyne KMnO4, alkyne KMnO4, okay, which is a strong oxidizing agent, then it get converted into ethanoic acid plus water. So when we are having alkyne KMnO4, then complete oxidation take place, complete oxidation. And on complete oxidation of ethanol, it gives you ethanoic acid. 2 carbon alcohol will gives you 2 carbon carboxylic acid. Got it? And same, if we
Yes.
are adding chromium oxide, Cr2O3, in the presence of carboxylic acid, then it will gives you ethanol, aldehyde. And this is incomplete oxidation. So here you have to write it, that chemical properties first, that if we burn the ethanol, then it will give you carbon dioxide and water. This is combustion reactions. But if the same alcohol is added to alkyne KMnO4 or acidified potassium dichromate, it get converted into ethanoic acid. So note this one.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay. So let's move further. So what is ethanol? Ethanol so if the question came that how will you convert propanol to propanoic acid? Write down question. How will you convert? How will you convert propanol in all to propanoic acid? How will you convert it? Can you tell me?
Didn't came before.
How will you convert propanol to propanoic acid? So prop means 3 carbon. So it is C3H7 OH, propanol. Or you can write it CH3, CH2, CH2OH. It is propanol, propanol. So when you add it to alkyne KMnO4, I'm writing here O and 2 here. It is called nascent oxygen, which we get from the oxidizing agent. Okay. So it is not O2. It is 2O. Because it is in atomic form. When you add it to alkyne KMnO4, alkyne KMnO4, then it get converted into KMnO4. Then it get converted into propanoic acid. And the formula for the propanoic acid will be CH3, then CH2. The 2 carbon don't get the 3 carbon H next CH2 here. No, because we are having the third carbon for the functional group. Okay, plus water. Got it? So by adding it to alkyne KMnO4, we can convert it. Okay, got it? You understood?
Yes.
So note it down. And the one more question from the NCERT came that why this reaction is considered to be as an oxidation reactions. Means when we are treating the alcohol with alkyne KMnO4 or treating any alcohol with alkaline caminophore to give carboxylic acid, what is considered to be as uh, oxidation reaction. So it is just because you know that oxidation means removal of hydrogens. Okay, removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen and addition of oxygen. Okay, so here you check how many oxygens are there, 2, and how many are there here, 1. So oxygen has been added. Here you check how many hydrogens are there, 3 and 2 5 and 2 7 and 1 8. And how many are there, 3 and 2 5 and 1 6. So 2 hydrogen has been removed. That's why it is considered to be as oxidation reactions. Got it? So note this one, then we're going to write that why this reaction is considered to be as oxidation reactions.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, done.
Yes.
Okay, let's move further. Note it down, why conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid is considered to be as oxidation reactions. Done? Zainab, you done?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is because here the addition of oxygen. And next property of alcohol is that alcohol when react with carboxylic acid, then they gives you sweet smelling substance called ester. Okay. And the third one is the dehydration reactions. So let me discuss that one also one more time. That like for example, if you have C2H5OH, C2H5OH, okay, and when you pass it, uh, when you react it with some any carboxylic acid, any number of carboxylic with COH group and OH group, when they react together in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, they will give you CH3COO. This one, okay, this one and this one. They will combine together both CH3CO and C2H5 plus this and this will gives you water H2O. Got it? Next property is this is called esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. The next property is of dehydration of alcohol. Then when you are going to have your exam?
Which one? Science is already done.
Done. When?
Yeah. Science is first. 28th itself it was done. Tomorrow for me it's SST.
Okay. So I'm asking you that how was your exam? Was it okay?
Oh, that yeah, it went okay. It went well.
Dehydration of alcohol means dehydration means removal of water. The word dehydration means removal of water. Removal of water. Okay. So if we are having any alcohol like C2H5OH, okay, and if you reacted with concentrated H2SO4, these both reactions take place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, and in both the reaction we get water as a product plus ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, or you can write it C2H4, or you can write it C2H4, ethene, 2 carbon alcohol, because 2 carbon alcohol will gives you 2 carbon alkene. Why? Because you can check it like this way. Like for example, if I'm having one here, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, this is CH3, then CH2, and then OH. So one OH group from this carbon and one H from this carbon will make water, and the one valency of this carbon and one valency of this carbon will be freed. So they will make double bond. Got it? Got it, Alvina? Alvina, you
Yes,
understand?
yes, sir.
So note these reactions, esterification reactions. And this is a sweet smelling substance. Sweet smelling substance.
So my second pre-board examination date sheet also came.
When it is,
18 January.
yeah, it will be. Syllabus will be completed multiple time revision will take.
Hmm.
You've done this one? Noted?
Yes, sir.
So if I ask you that, how will you convert ethanol to ethene? Ethanol to ethene. How will you convert ethanol to ethene?
The esterification reaction.
This is ethanol and this is ethene.
Oh,
By
okay.
adding it to concentrated H2SO4. Two carbon alcohol, two carbon double bond is called ethene. Got it?
Hmm.
Yes,
Understood?
yes, sir.
So let's move further. Okay, for sure. Then we're going to discuss. First, you have to write the uses and harmful effect of alcohol, that drinking alcohol. Just first you write down the uses. That yeah, the uses of ethanol. First use is that it is used in for drinking purpose in wine, in beverages such as wine, whiskey. Okay, and it is used as a good solvent for for perfumes, fats, etc. Ethyl alcohol is used to sterilize wounds, syringes. Okay, and it is used as antifreeze in the car radiator. So it is a very important use that is being used. It is used as antifreeze in car radiators in cold countries. Note it down. You done?
No. What's an antifreeze?
Antifreeze by that its melting freezing point is minus 50 degrees Celsius approximate. So it is used in the car radiators as a coolant. Okay, that it
Oh,
will not. Otherwise, if you use water in the car radiators, like in India, we use normal water in the car radiators or coolant. So generally, in the winter seasons, the in the cold countries where the temperature goes below 0 degrees, so it get freeze in the car radiators. Water get freeze. So that is used ethyl alcohol when we mix it, so it will not let it water to freeze. Okay, and make its temperature lower than 20 to minus 20, minus 30 degree. Okay, so
yeah.
that's why note it down.
Done.
Okay, next, the most important use is this one. Alvina, you have also noted that previous one.
Yes, sir.
It is used as additive in petrol. Means 25% of ethanol is mixed with fuel because it burns completely to give carbon dioxide and water without any residue. Nowadays in India, this petrol start selling in India. Okay. Done. Done this one.
Yes.
Next is harmful effect of drinking alcohol. What is harmful effect? So alcohol is one of the largest group of sedative drugs. Sedative drugs means which one? The drugs which we get addicted. Okay, which if we keep on using this one, our body. So a sedative drug is one that is one that produce sleep. Okay, and when we use in large quantity of alcohol means okay, once is sedative drugs, and secondly it makes addicted to that one. Okay, so the sedative drug is one that reduce sleep when we use in large enough quantity, and large quantity of alcohol in the body affect the nervous system. It cause swelling conditions, means means when we drink the alcohol, so the brain starts swelling, and okay, and because of that in our brain it create a congestion. It create congestions. So the properly the nervous activity that the nervous system should do, it will not let it to go. Okay, means slow nervous system will be there. Slow processing, slow everything will be there. Okay, so large quantity of alcohol in the body affect the nervous system. It cause swelling in conditions, and it cause in the tissue covering the brain. As a result, normal power of coordination can no longer operate. Okay, alcohol uses inflammations of stomach. It may result in the inflammations of stomach. Excessive use of alcohol can damage the liver, causing hepatic uh, cryosis. Many crimes and sins are committed under the influence of alcohol, and it also affect the economical conditions and social life and general health of a person. Okay, so this is the sometime it may be asked in the examination that write down the harmful effect of drinking alcohol. So please note it down. Harmful
How
effect
many
of drinking
marks
alcohol.
could this kind of a question come for?
Yes, why not? It can come.
No, like how many marks could it come for?
It may be of 2 marks or 3 marks.
Okay, maximum 2 or 3
Three.
only, right? Hmm.
Done.
No. It says hepatic cry.
Yes, hepatic, yeah, cryosis.
Oh, okay. Done.
Okay. So let's do the questions over the topic that we have done. Okay. So let's have the questions over it. Let's start. Let's start. Write down these questions and let me know the answer for this question. What is A, B, and C? Try it fast. You done?
I'm still writing the question.
You done now?
Yes.
What's the answer?
A will be ethanol, B will be ethene, and then C will be ethane. We wrote the chemical reactions already.
Okay. Yes, you Alvina, you understood these questions?
Sir, no, can you explain? I just understood that the A compound will be ethanol.
So saying that a compound A on heating with concentrated H2SO4 forms a compound B, So we have two types of reactions with concentrated H2SO4. One is the esterification reaction, another one is the dehydration of alcohol. So, but in esterification, a compound is not heated, it is mixed with ethanoic acid. Okay. Or it can be, if it is ethanoic acid, then it could be, means there should be two compound in esterification, not a compound. So it is must that it is a dehydration reactions. Okay. So when we are having ethanol or any carbon, we don't know how much carbon it is, but it is saying compound A on heated with concentrated H2SO4, it will give so compound B. So we know that if it is alcohol, okay, then it is alkene, a double bond. Okay, because on dehydration we get alcohol. Okay, on dehydration of alcohol we get alkene plus water. Okay, compound B. Now compound B, which on additions? Now you know that it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon, so it will go to addition reaction. Got it? So if we are having alkene B, when you pass hydrogen gas to it, it will forms alkane. So B on addition with 1 mole of hydrogen in the presence of nickel. This reaction is called hydrogenation reaction that we have discussed in the previous class. Hydrogenation reactions. Okay. So it will gives you alkane. Now still we don't know how much carbon alkane it is, how much carbon alcohol it is talking about. So now here the 1 mole of C, 1 mole of C, this is compound C. 1 mole of C when heated. Okay, this alkane, 1 mole of C when on combustion, means on reaction with oxygen, it will gives you 2 moles of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide have 1 carbon. So 2 moles of carbon dioxide have how many carbon? 2 carbon. Here 2 moles means here it will be 2 CO2 plus and 3 moles of water, 3 moles of water. So you know that the carbon and hydrogen will comes from oxygen we are adding here, but carbon and oxygen will come from alkane. Carbon and hydrogen will come from alkane because alkane is carrying hydrogen and carbon only. So there should be 2 carbon in C and 6 hydrogen. So 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen means ethane. Sorry. So if it is 2 carbon C, so it must be 2 carbon ethene. So it will be CH2 double bond CH2. And if it is 2 carbon ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, then it must be 2 carbon alcohol. That is ethanol, C2H5OH. Got it? Note down the reactions properly. Done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.